Hi, welcome back. In this video, you will learn how to access the copied text from within Python so you can process that text further. So for this, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some code from the keyboard.py file. This is the code we developed during the previous video. So in this code, we get the position of the cursor. So let me get the position of this file, sample.txt, because I'm going to click on that sample via Python and then select all the code via Python, copy it, and then get that string, that copied string inside Python. So first of all, I want to know what the position of this file is, because I added a file now, so the position on the screen has changed to something else. So I want to place the cursor here and then press the keyboard shortcut to run the code without moving the cursor. But be careful, if I press Ctrl R, I'm on PyCharm. On PyCharm, if I press Ctrl R, that will execute keyboard.py, not clipboard.py. So if you want to execute the current Python file, you want to right click and see here what the shortcut is. So Ctrl-Shift-R. So place the cursor there, Ctrl-Shift-R, and these are the coordinates. So now I want to double click using the double click method. So double click over 126 to 31. And then I want to use the hotkey method to select everything using Command A or Control, so STRL A if you are on Windows. I'm on Mac, so I'm using Command here. Duplicate that. That should be C. And then, so we have some similar code in here. We copy it, but then what can we do? Because if I run this file now, that copies that code, but now we have to access it within Python. And to access the clipboard text, you can use the paperclip standard library. You don't have to install this. So all you have to do is access paperclip.paste. That will return the copied text. So you can store that in a variable, let's say text, and print out that text to see if we got access to that clipboard or not. So run the code. And yeah, here we see on the terminal that Python has returned the text of this file. Since we are in PyAutoGUI, you can also use the PyAutoGUI.alert method to show the text on the screen. So run again, and that's the alert prompt. You see the text is shown in here. So what you do with this text afterwards, with this variable, it's up to you. It depends on the scenario. But that is how you can copy and also get access to that clipboard text via Python. Thank you.